Hello students, welcome to today's computer class. Today we will continue learning more about productivity basics. Students, what did we learn in our last video session? Yes, we learned to establish an autofill trend. Create series through the menu. Fill ranges. Copy entries using the fill command and enter data or formula into an entire range at once. In this video, we will learn about previewing worksheets. Usually, you will want to preview your worksheets. That means see each page on the screen to know exactly how your document is going to look on page. Before you print them, to make sure that single page documents fit neatly on the page and the multi-page documents break at logical places. To preview the worksheet, click on the Office button. From the menu that appears, select the Print command and from the option, select Print Preview. There are several settings that can be controlled while in Print Preview mode. Zooming in and zooming out. When in Print Preview, the mouse pointer becomes a magnifying glass. Click on the part of the worksheet that you wish to zoom in. The sheet will be magnified and the pointer becomes an arrow. Click on the worksheet again to zoom out. In Preview buttons. The following list explain the buttons that are displayed on the Print Preview tab in Print Preview mode. Next page button. Display the next page to be printed. If you have multiple worksheets selected and click Next when the last page of a selected worksheet appears, Excel displays the first page of the next selected worksheet. Previous page button. Display the previous page to be printed. If you have multiple worksheets selected and click Previous when the first page of a selected worksheet appears, Excel displays the last page of the previous selected worksheet. Zoom button switches between a full page view of a sheet and a magnified view. The zoom feature does not affect printing size. You can also switch between a full page view and a magnified view of a worksheet by clicking any area of the worksheet. Print button lets you set printing options and then prints the selected worksheet. Page Setup button lets you set up options that controls the appearance of printed sheets. Show margins. Display or hides the margin handles that you can drag to adjust page margins, header and footer margins, and column width. Page break view switches to page break preview, in which you can adjust the page breaks on the active worksheet. You can also resize the print area and edit the worksheet. The name of the button changes from Page Break Preview to Normal View if you were in Page Break Preview when you click the Print Preview. Normal View. Display the active worksheet in Normal View. Close Print Preview. Closes the Print Preview window and returns to the previous view of the active worksheet. Students, in our next session, we will learn about pagination.